Guys, the next thing we're gonna do is get this damaged engine cover off and place this one. This looks much better. Now that's easy. Torx 30. Where is my Torx? 30. So. Up. Now. Yes. Okay. Up. Then, ow. This one off. That's easy. Normally, these are old BMW tire, removers. Over here, I got. Okay, carefully over here, but there is nothing to. There he comes. Not that difficult, guys. A little bit. This. Carefully. That's. Yes, there he comes. Sometimes they come easy. Sometimes they just don't. Yes, there he goes. Okay, the push rods, but careful because these are the sliders, see, and up over there. They sometimes move a bit when you take them out. This one, let's see. Ooh, this is yes, guys, always be careful. This one needs to go over there. So don't lose that. So this is the difference. This one out of the way, and this one, and this one. Let's see if they are nice. Yes, they are good. This is the old one, and there was some okay. Is a liquid gasket. I'm gonna take it off. Just a bit. It's not that much. Okay. Okay, now let's see. Everything's off now. Over here. This is, yes, also liquid gasket. Gray one. Oh. Yes. In a moment I'm gonna clean it with a bit of petrol. Be sure all that old gasket is away and we don't have any leaks. I don't like leaks. Over there, some too. No. Okay. Okay, let's see, guys. See, especially on those the upper and the lower half. There always need to do, at least over there you need to do some liquid gasket. But now, guys, BMW say always renew these bolts. These are aluminium bolts. And that's only for the weight. And they cost, not sure, but about here €2 a piece. And I need a lot of them. So, out of the way. And I got stainless steel Torx bolts. Why? They look nicer. They do the job. And they cost a quarter of what these bolts cost. Let's see. These are perfectly the size. And the size is, let's see, 25 mil. Torx 30. So now, guys, we're gonna first, this one is the good one, this one is the bad one, just in case. Okay. I have a cloth with some petrol. If I do it, guys, I do it the right way. Yeah? Cost a bit more, but careful, those edges are razor sharp. This one I need to do more. Okay. So, then we're gonna give this a clean too. Here is some liquid. What I always think, when you do it, you better do it all the way. If suppose it starts leaking, then you regret it. Now it costs 10 minutes more, and then you have to take, yeah, this is easy, but you have to take the part off again. And so, guys. Yes. Looks almost brand new. Yes, now watch. I did those edges, and here is some gasket too. Get it out of the way. Okay. Here. Okay, watch. Looks nice now. Cleaned it. Sure, it's nice. All the dust away. Okay. Oh, here is still a bit. But it's gone now. Okay. Then guys, I'm gonna put a smear of liquid gasket on top of that. Just a tiny bit. Now, let's place it so, like this. Looks a bit nicer. Oh, then, oh, okay. I like to do it with my fingers. Yes, there he is. Oops. Then, ooh. So, hop. Then just a tiny bit, not too much. Okay. It fits already perfect, so it's just for to have fun. Okay, see, it's just a tiny bit. Now, gonna place this back. Washer is over here. The pins are in the rods. Take it like this. Yes. Okay, but now, hop, just give it a smackety smack, of course, with your hands. Okay, then we have the new balls. I think they look much nicer. Okay, this one. Pop. Then this one. Okay, Okay, guys, then we're gonna have a look in here if the seal is all right. Well, this is the old one, so I don't think, but okay. So, yes, get this clean too. Yep. Okay. Not too tight this one, guys. This is plastic and aluminium. Up. Tight is tight. Guys, tight, 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 tight. Yes.